Want your wealth to grow and stay protected from taxes and creditors? The California Private Retirement Plan and private placement life insurance are your secret weapons. CPRP acts as a fortress, safeguarding your assets like California real estate from creditors. Under state law, it ensures your peace of mind. But here's the magic: PPLI lets your investments grow tax-free, maximizing your portfolio's potential. Combine these tools, and your protected assets generate income, funneled into a PPLI where it grows tax-free. A $1 million portfolio taxed at the top rate grows to $2.65 million in 20 years. Inside a PPLI, over $4.66 million, that's $2 million more, just by eliminating taxes. Plus, your heirs get a tax-free death benefit, ensuring liquidity and preserving your legacy. Optimize your wealth today. Call us at 949-305-8642 or visit jamesburnslaw.com. Your legacy starts with one step. Let's take it together.